Hello, my beautiful YouTubers. Today, I'm a little disheveled and getting over a cold as I posted to you guys. But today is Thursday, Thrift Thursday, meaning I had to get up and out of bed today because my thrift store locally is only open Thursday and Saturday. So I braved it for you guys and I got out there and I got what I consider day 2 of thrifting for this table. I have one more day that I gotta get the last pieces and we should get it done in one more video and it should be exciting, I hope. Today I have other things mixed in. If you don't mind, I'm going to show you the full thrift and then I'll try to show what's toward the Tablescape upcoming. So for starters, I got a few goodies. Let me separate them. Okay. For one, I got this. This is a brass. I don't know what you call this, but I don't have this size. It's beautiful. My new kitchen is all brass fixtures and everything. I got this for $2. It's probably a home goods item for $5. But to see it in the store local, and I just needed it the other night, 2 nights ago, I grabbed it for $2. It's beautiful. It's the brass. I know they call it a spider strainer or whatever. There's so many of them in the market now in so many different shapes, but this is the modern one and this is good. So I got that. This is something that's collectible. I paid $1 for it. And again, I got the whole bag for 10 again. I don't know what's going on with that, but I got this as part of my bag and it's lovely because what I'm going to do is, if you've seen them on the on my mantle here, I decorate them, especially for Christmas time. See how cute this is? Like a toothbrush cup of sorts. And I filled it with a tree. I keep that all year because I have the green walls and I love it. Now this, if you can see, I'm going to do it again. I'm going to put a beautiful tree in it for Christmas time and put berries. And I have this thing about miniature trees. I'm infatuated with them and I love making them. So this was a great find for $1. Okay, put that over there. Again, not a big haul because they don't have much. It's a very small little church thrift store. But that's okay because I do very well there. And then I bought something extra that I paid a little more and has nothing to do with the Tablescape because I collect them. This I love, okay? I collect cardinals. And vintage is one of my favorite things. Let me come a little closer. This guy is adorable. You can't see the detail good with me far away, but his little legs are like a brass paperclip kind of metal, so thin. And he's, I think, light wood carving or something. The base is wood painted. The branch is real, from what I could tell. And a kid made this and painted it because I love it. It says on the bottom, Dave Post, 1976. How cute is that? And I collect, so they're adorable. He's got that folk art look to it, right? Little folk art look. And I don't have one. I have a ceramic one, so I have to find a place for him. Maybe up there, we'll see. For now. Okay, that's him. Oh my God! Oh, this is the treasure for later. I don't want to kill my surprise. Okay. All right. Now, these I got 4 of them. They're gorgeous. Let me take them out. Let me get them all out and show you. So I got 4 of them. Okay. Now, I don't need them. I got a cramp in my side. I don't need them for my bar or whiskey sets or anything because I have a lot of glassware and I have nice glassware. But we went, if you saw, I don't think you could even see it. I don't know if I did the short. Last week, before I got sick, me and Vinny went to a date lunch thing, and it was our favorite restaurant where we got engaged, Luigi's here in Long Island on Union Turnpike. And they had, must be a new trend because it was glamorous and looked beautiful, They had a crystal whiskey glass of this size. This is even nicer. Okay. I got these for 50 cents each, cost me $2. And let me show you, they used them as tea lights on the table. And they were absolutely beautiful. So I could use them in a table setting. I could use them around the mantle of the house at Christmas time. Let me show you with the battery operated version. You can use the real tea lights, but this is what they had on the table. You can't even appreciate it in here. It's illuminated so beautifully. It's a shame. I don't think you can appreciate it through the screen the way it's showing me and showing you. But then let me see if I turn off the, let's see. Can you see it? It is beautiful. And if you can see it with a real candle, it would be even more illuminated. What they had, let me put this back on. What they had in the restaurant is these tiny, you can buy them. They're oil lighting. You can go with the electric fake. You could go with the real lit tea light. And then you could get the oil that burns. And it comes in a little glass jug about this size. And it's about maybe 1 or 2 ounces. And it's no bigger than this. And you light it and it lasts for hours and hours and hours. And it's a real flame light. You know, you have options. That's, you know, put whatever you like. I think for me, I'm going to opt for the safety of the electric, the battery. And that's what I'm going to do. I got all 4, like I said, 50 cents a piece. Can you see the detail on it? It's not carved. It's not etched. It's like a, I can't explain it. Like a frosted decal of some sort. It's just very, very pretty. And it has grapes in the motif. And it looks to be holiday-ish. It can be. I just love them. And now it's the idea is the real big thing about it. When you see in a thrift store a whiskey glass, they have these in real crystal from Poland, from Germany, from all over Europe. And you'll see this size. And they're whiskey glasses. And they're kind of out of style. A lot of young people don't want to use them today. A lot of people aren't into the vintage. But if you see them, like I did, for 50 cents or $1 a piece, just think tea light and decorating for your house. They're a really cool idea. Okay, what else do I got here? Oh, I like this. I like pottery. Okay. This is I feel like I always have to come up and I want you guys to see what I got. It's real pottery. And it's signed on the bottom, Missions, Lexington, North Carolina. So I like that when it has a name on it. It was $2 marked. Like I said, I got everything in the bag for $10. I don't know. I was just very appreciative. And this I'm going to use as a vase. I won't use it for coffee or anything because I have my coffee mugs. Although I could, we'll see. I'm thinking more a little bit of flowers in it if I wanted to do a table set with that one time. Okay, now here it is. What we were needing for another item. Let's recap. Now we have serving dishes for vegetables and whatnot. We have the tablecloth. We have the salt and pepper. We're missing dishes. I have a tip tomorrow to go somewhere. Someone knows a thrift shop where she said they had a large selection of fall dishes. So I'm going to go there. So we're missing the dishes and we were missing wine glasses. And here they are. I'm going to come close because I want you to see the detail. They're gorgeous. They have butterflies and flowers, and the butterfly's legs and body is in gold, like the rim of the glass. This is gold. Now, the beauty of this is, I promise you, the table will be completed with everything I've thrifted, even if it's not current this year, meaning I'm going to set it with the water glass to go with this because about 2 years ago, I thrifted small, odd-shaped glasses, and I only bought 4. And I was going to use them for like cocktails or something, but they'll be beautiful with these as the wine in the water. So I'm going to get those out with it. So now we have, and these were $1.50 each. I got 4. Okay. So we're that much closer into getting this beautiful table set. Now we have wine glasses. We have water glasses. We have the placemats, the tablecloth. I have the napkins and the napkin rings also thrifted 2 years ago from St. Patrick's thrift store. I got the 4 napkins, which I never knew what I was going to do with them, but now I'm so glad I bought 4. And the brass, I have brass holders. So all we're really missing are those dishes. And cross your fingers because I'm going to go tomorrow. I feel a little better. I mean, I ran out this morning because they open at 9, the thrift store, and I had to get there. So I ran over at 9 o'clock, thought I had the energy I really didn't have yet. And because I saw these there last visit and I passed them by. I passed them by thinking, they were a little too dressy, they're a little too upbeat. But then I said, wait a minute. I've been watching some videos and nothing's ever too beautiful to put on your table. Nothing's too pretty to use. And I'm going with that thinking because it always was my thinking, but I just never bought things glamorous enough not to touch or to worry about or keep for special occasions. In my younger years, I had 2 double sets. My first mother-in-law bought me service for 8 in crystal and china, service for 12 crystal and china. And then I just got rid of them. You know, you grow. And now, oh boy, do I wish I had them back. They were something of this quality and beautiful. They were just absolutely beautiful. And I remember it was service for 8 and each, there was like 4 glasses per person. It was weird. Wine, water, something else, and then it was just crazy. Anyways, here are our glasses, people. All right. So we have, let's recap, and then I'll get to hunting tomorrow for those plates. We have the tablecloth. We have the, what do you call these? The placemats that I use as a charger. So we have the tablecloth. We have the chargers. I'm going to get the plates, which is the last thing in the scenario. We have the napkins. We have the napkin rings. We have the wine glasses. We have the water glasses. We have the salt and pepper shaker. We have serving bowls for our vegetables with our serving, what we're going to have. And it's going to look beautiful. And I'm excited. I'm excited to show you, and I'm excited to share it with you. Fingers crossed. I'm heading out tomorrow early, hunting down those dishes. And we'll be back in a few days as soon as I know I have everything ready. And I'm going to set the table in front of you from start to finish. It should be a lot of fun. I look forward to seeing you there. Hope you watch it. I hope you enjoy everything. To all the new subscribers, thank you so much for the love you gave the thrift haul video. I think that you kind of like it, so I'm kind of on the same vein, and I'm loving it. I'm a big time thrifter. I wish I had the budget to do it every single day of my life, and I wish I had the space, but I don't. But we could do fun stuff like this. Okay, so much love and gratitude. I'll see you guys in the next video. Keep watching, keep subscribing, and I'll see you then.